name is Pramesh Karthikeyan, and today I'll be presenting my graphic design presentation. So, the catering service I'll be using today is Pramesh's Fine Catering. We've served since 1980. We're known for our high quality food and our amazing banquet halls. The chefs working around the clock are all considered 5-star cooks from around the world. Our food and banquet halls have very good ambience because of their modern, sleek features. Our banquet halls can be used for weddings, birthdays, office meetings, engagement parties, and much, much more. We can also come to your party, engagement, wedding, etc. to serve you. We love to cater and hope to serve you in the future. So, over the years, received very good reviews from the most influential men in this world. So, here's some reviews from Tim Cook, Bill Gates, and Mark Zuckerberg. Overall, they all thought the food was amazing. They thought the banquet halls were awesome. So, this is just a general idea of how great our service is. Now, I'll show you our catering menu, which will be used for packages I'll be showing you much more later on. So, now comes our catering menu. We serve in platters. Our platters menu includes appetizers, entrees, and desserts. So appetizer number 1 is the Italian platter, which is about $50. Our highlight in this amazing platter is our Italian meatballs. Then comes appetizer number 2, cold cuts platter, which is $50. And this is a picture of our cold cuts platter right here. Then comes the entrees. Our pasta platter, which is about $65. And the highlight that our customers love is our Cajun jambalaya pasta right here. Then comes our entree number 2, seafood platter, $70. And what our customers love about this are crab cakes. Then comes our entree number 3, American platter, which is about $60. Our customers love the pizza. Most of them like the pizza, and most of them like the burger and the fries. So now comes the desserts. Dessert platters have 25 each. This dessert platter menu consists of tiramisu, carrot cakes, coffee cakes, mini apple pies, and macaroons. So now I'll be showing you my packages. These packages will consist of the same food menu I've showed you right now. So I'm going to show you my first package, the deluxe. First package, deluxe. It's in the room Grand Canyon. Costs $600 for 3 hours. 40 by 31 by 15 feet room, which is the length, width times height. Holds up to 100 people. Has up to 10 servers, modern chairs, fresh and clean plates and cups, sleek curtains, has a stage, clean bathrooms, comes with 4 bathrooms, 2 men's bathrooms and 2 women's bathrooms, projector and closet if needed, crystal chandelier on the ceiling, and fine china. So the menu consists of the same thing I showed you before. Now I'll be showing my second package, the modern package. It's in the room Yellowstone. Cost about $500 for 3 hours. 30 by 20 by 12, length, width times height, feet room. Can hold up to 50 people, up to 5 servers, modern tables, modern art, posted on walls, clean table, plates and cups, includes stage, buffet trays set up, clean bathrooms as well, 2 bathrooms in total, 1 men's bathroom and 1 women's bathroom, fine china and projector and closet if needed. Now I'll be showing my third and last package, the sleek package. It's in the room Yosemite, costs $300 for 3 hours. It's 25 by 15 by 10, length, width, and height. Feet room, can hold up to 25 people, up to 2 servers, modern tables, modern art, posted on walls, clean table, plates, and cups, clean bathroom as well. 2 bathrooms in total, 1 men's and 1 women's. Buffet tray set up, includes stage, projection closet if needed, and fine china. Now, I'll be showing you the floor plans in all the rooms that I mentioned in all our packages. So this is our floor plan. So you enter to the lobby and you go to the room that requires your package. So this is Grand Canyon is the deluxe package. Yellowstone is the modern package, and Yosemite is a sleek package. All rooms consist of a stage, bathroom, and closet. So we have a kitchen here, extra bathroom, fire exits here, and so this is just a general floor plan that will be used when you walk into our banquet halls. Now, since you want to come to this place, you have to have a contacts, right? So I'm going to show you our contact page, so you can email us, call us, follow us, etc. So now I'm going to show you our contact page. You can contact us at 408-892-7680. Our email is prameshfinecatering@gmail.com. Don't forget us. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and Instagram. Follow us on Twitter as #PrameshFineCatering. Follow us on Google Plus as +PrameshFineCatering. Thank you for viewing this presentation. I'd like to give huge thanks to my parents and everybody that's watching this presentation. Thank you very much, and I hope you vote for my presentation. Thank you.